What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Black Widow 2.0 Hybrid versus the Game Breaker 4 Hybrid, where we finish off the hybrid section of the bowling ball tournament. The winner of these two will match up against the Infinity. Let's go see which one's gonna match up against it. Shot number one, frame number one. .0 Hybrid is up first. Definitely gonna need to throw it a little faster to keep this one online. This one tends to spark a little bit for me. Okay, so I got a little layout trick I did on that one that I'll explain to you guys in a little bit. Stand in the same spot, throw the same shot with this ball. I'll give you guys a little bit of a gauge on the difference. So almost the same hit. However, that one snapped the 7 out. That one's got a little more continuation with it being a symmetrical piece, and that layout trick that I'm gonna tell you guys is I drilled the fingers a little bit deeper on this one, and for a two-hander, that's really gonna slow the ball down a little bit. It's gonna make it a little smoother, a little earlier. For the house shot, that's not great. However, for some of the sport shots, this ball is gonna be really versatile because of that little trick layout I did on it. So I'm gonna go 2 right, keep that same rotation, but slow the ball speed. Tickle them. It's time to learn from my mistakes of the past, which means keep throwing this one hard, keep throwing that one slow, because if that works for that ball, you don't need to match the balls up to each other, you need to match them up to the condition. Hook. A little sloppy on the shot there, not my best. So this is a pretty leftover house shot, so for me, you're gonna see the ball not really crack off of that spot left when I miss left, just because a lot of house balls going down the lane came in before the bowling alley even opened, so they're not quite fresh. And with that information, I want you guys to let me know which ball you think is going to win the matchup right now. Black Widow 2.0 Hybrid has a 10-pin lead, so you guys let me know down below in the comments which ball you think is going to win this matchup today. And if you can keep track of your overall record, let me know. Maybe I'll go another one left here. Last one didn't hook. Push. There's a little in, not my best shot. I'm having a little bit of trouble here switching speeds. Got to make sure to stay on balance. Just not my best. Keeping that move left that I had, and right now I'm playing the balls 3 boards different with my feet, however, also a lot more speed with this one. And throwing it a little faster like that and playing a little further to the left is more of what I like to do on the house shot, more of what this house likes to see. And with that, I want to pick the GB4 to win, but I do think this is overall the more versatile piece, the Black Widow 2.0 Hybrid. Black Widow 2.0 Hybrid. Just not quite getting the hits. Hit on that one a little bit, missed the last one a little bit, and got a 7-pin and then an 8-pin. So I'm gonna move in, hit on it a little bit and see what happens. Poster shot here. All right, make better shots, please. Making a 2-board move, like I said. I'm just gonna hit it at the bottom. Last one went a little high, so just time to make a small move. Ooh. Lucky. Throwing this one a little faster. Now I'm playing them 5 different. Time for a snack break. Nature's Bakery Fig Bar. So if you want to sponsor me, hit me up. Little buck, didn't finish eating. And I don't want to disrespect this frame here. Just a little up the back and it just kind of rolls out down lane. The key when I do drill my fingers that deep, the key for me is to really, it makes the ball hook a lot earlier. It makes it really lay off in the back and make more of like a urethane type shape. I'm finding the pocket a lot when I do miss with my hand. However, it's not necessarily striking as much. So I'm gonna need to make some better shots here. Maybe move back left and up the speed. Even though I said I wouldn't do that. Key for me really in all of these is just to stay behind the line. I think I'm gonna move next shot with that ball. It's hooking a lot now. Borderline like trip 6 is what I would say, so I'm gonna make like a 2-in-1 for me. As for this ball, I'm gonna have to make a huge move because I'm getting a little bit of 7-pin, 6-pin ball reaction with this one, so I'm gonna try and make a large move to the left, probably 3 or 4 with my feet, up the speed, take my hand out, so it's gonna be a multiple move because I'm hitting the pocket right now, I'm just not striking, so I gotta create a little different angle to the pocket so I can hopefully try and strike. Okay, and that one snapped the 7. And now I'm gonna move 1 with the GB4 hybrid, so I'm gonna be standing in the same spot as the 2.0 hybrid. This one should have a little more continuation, however, it might go a little further down lane, which I don't know how that's gonna affect my ball reaction. Yeah, I could clearly see by the way it went through the pins, that one went probably another 2 feet down lane, had a little harder kick down lane. Both of them almost 7-pin, but that was almost a wrap 7. The Black Widow was almost a flat 7. So with the Black Widow, I'm just gonna rotate it a little more. I'm gonna move 1 and rotate it more. That was so much better. If I could have done that earlier, might have kicked a couple more 7s out. So from the almost wrap 7, I'm gonna slow down a little, just a little bit. Just a little bit, give it more time on the lane to hook. Push, 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 push. Golly, that shot was good too. If anything, it was a little in, which made it carry even further down the lane. I could have thrown it even slower than that. It's probably what I needed to do. Or maybe just not miss my target. That did make this match a little more interesting. Oh, needed it. And I said it made that match a little more interesting because if I get the next 2 with this Black Widow hybrid, it forces me to stay clean in the 10th with the GB4 hybrid. So this one's huge. I'm gonna make the same move I did with that GB4 hybrid. That almost wrap 7, I'm gonna throw it a little slower. And that's what I wanted the GB4 hybrid to do, but it just wasn't slow enough. 238's a great score though. I'll take 238 any day of the week. And a bad shot gets 8, which is semi-detrimental, but not crazy. Still basically gonna have to stay clean here. Strike wins, guaranteed. Keeping that same slower ball speed move. Oh, that's terrible. And I saw somebody moving down lane. Stop when that happens. I don't have my spare ball, spare to claim it. We're tied, so I gotta keep my foot behind the line, which is not always a guarantee. I'm gonna go back to the left and throw it even harder. Pew, 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 pew. Well, winner, and I rarely throw this ball in tournaments. This one's more in the house shot bag, which makes sense that it took over on the house shot. So once again, let me know down below if you guys did pick this ball to win. If you didn't, let me know what your record is. And as always, guys, you can find this ball or any ball that you want to order or any of your bowling products at buddiesproshop.com/Packy. The link is down below in the description for all of your bowling needs. Click that link and you can go shopping. Until the next one where this ball matches up against the Brunswick Infinity, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.